Good evening, what's up guys, what's going on? Crassus here, and it is time for some more game dev. We are getting this UI in. Video never killed us, and hey, we have a Kickstarter. It's about to go live kind of soon. Check it out, hit that follow button, hit notify me on launch. I can't hit it because I'm the one creating it. It literally won't let me sign up for it. Annoying. I want to sign up for it too. It's not fair. What's up? How you doing, Water Tar? Good to see you, buddy. But definitely, if you have not already hit the notify button, even if you don't know if you're going to back it or not, help increase that follower button for us. The only way more people are going to see it and want to do it is if we get more followers. And when it becomes over a certain level, I don't know exactly the number it is, it's part of their algorithm, it will be popular coming soon to Kickstarter, and it'll literally be a front page, and we'll go from 17 followers to who knows how many followers. So, please, 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 if you have not told your friends yet, please do it. This is where we're at so far. We have more stuff to pull off of the UI art drive. More things to pull off. Gotta pull this guy. Anything else? Let me see. Oh, that's everything. This is to go inside here. I just sneeze already. No step. Do you think I might be allergic to the internet? It's a possibility, right? I could definitely be allergic to the internet. Definitely a thing. Hold on, guys. Bring this. Be like. Incoming shitty artwork. Alright, so add in our card wheel. Okay. Active deck is this guy. That one. And then inside here we'll do another image. And put the top on this guy. Preserve, set native. I believe it's like that, like a shadow kind of thing. I think. Let me get my reference. Hold on a second. Spatial reference. A little bit too high. It needs to come down a little bit. Like that. Like that. That looks nice. It needs a mask. Then on top of this, we need a mask. Image. Oh, yeah, mask. This is gonna get the mask component. Okay. That'll be the which mask do we want? This one, I think. Okay, so I think it's only that mask. Okay, that's too big. I must make you smaller. Oh, I thought I had preserve out. Whoops. Okay. Oh, this is odd. It has a black in the background. It shouldn't. Hold on. That's odd. I guess. This is definitely a problem for us. Why? Why is this not just shrinking this part? Oh, preserve aspect. That was being weird. That's for sure. Alright, so we're struggling with this mask here, for sure. Okay, so... then we need, inside here is going to be a card holder. Let's see. So if we went like this, we turn off the graphic. Let's drag in prefab. Let's drag in like card holder. All right. Rec 2D. Right again. There's some weird stuff happening in here. there. This way. Right. So it's inside. It's outside, not inside. How do I fix that? I fix that by doing. Off a little bit for now. That's because the card is overwriting itself. The card is overwriting, not the mask. It's not the right direction for some reason. That's because it's overwriting itself. Ah, here it is. Turn off the canvas. Oh, sorry, not the canvas. If I turn off the override sorting. There we go. I can add a softness to it. Right? 15. Oh. It's the mask again. Stop moving the mask around. That's annoying. Damn it. Okay. Softness. Move the handless maiden. Ooh. It's being weird. Okay, so how this would be is this would need its canvas to set its to turn off override sorting, basically. That's what it comes down to. How do I set? What does softness do? Oh, sick. Oops. So it does add like a fade out kind of thing to it, although it doesn't work on everything. Is that because of not the image? The image is in zone mask? Is that why? It's gotta be. Okay. You would think that if the image was set up, it would fade itself. Okay. So let's, instead of the current deck, we will select the deck that we currently have, load decks, all deck count, instantiate collection deck. Okay. We will also do a for loop of deck cache manager deck dot count. We will literally create a card. Is that how I do it in the collection? How do I do it in here? Go collection. It's this. Literally this. This guy, this guy. There's this stuff right here. What is happening? this? Actually. So it's these. And that's these. Okay, so it's set variance based on the deck number. Okay. I gotta make sure I set the transform to the right spot. Okay, so it's literally this. Right? We're gonna create all cards based on deck I. No, we need the card index. Right? We need the card index. So we need card manager. Get card index. Find card index. Int. Okay. So it's card manager, all cards, and instead of this, it'll be all card index. Random noise. No big deal. Find card index. It's going to be this guy. I. Okay. All cards. Find card index as a number. All cards of this one. Dot. CName placer. Okay. Wait. The parentheses there? What's the parentheses there for? Oh, find card index. Okay. I see. Okay, I'm picking up what I'm putting down. And then we do a reference to form active deck card holder, card view holder. Okay. And we can do that into here. Local scale 10.8. Override sorting is false. Set variant is going to be deck cache manager instance active deck variance I. Cool. Alright, so now we can have a failsafe in here. This is if get get variant info. That would be the card SO variance. This would be card data dot variance dot length is less than variant. Right, so we have a variant of 1. If we have one variant, it's going to say set variant 1. That means there is one variant. Okay, so this has to be less than 8. So if it's greater than variant. No, I want to see if it's less than that amount of variance. So that means that if we call for variant 2 and there's only one variant, then we have a length of 1. So then this does not work. So then variant number equals 0. Else. Cool. That way there's no problems at all. Let's set the variant, and then this might work. Right? Give this thing a thing, a thing a thing thing. And then we can have it literally just rotate somehow. Not sure how we're gonna do that. I guess that would be a shader. Active deck card view. Card holder. Okay. card holder gets a horizontal layout group in the center, or in the middle center, and this might work. Let's turn off the mask so we can't see it. Let's see what happens. It almost worked. What kind of problems did we run into? Total attack power. Right. So this total attack power has to equal match. Oops. Game stays in game. That's new. Right. Okay. If current state is not equal to in game, fair. Total attack power does not matter. Cool. That's the first issue. Hey, we have an issue. Alright. So, if it's not in-game, game manager, then total attack power equals card data, not attack power. Try that again. The right deck. Little Farmer Dream this episode. Fury Blast, I guess it is the right deck. Is Little Farmer the first card? No. So it needs to be still organized. Right, gotta sort them all. So after we build a deck, how do we sort everything? Build deck, sort. From the main menu as well. Cool. Then we sort that transform. And we can call sort, and we can call active deck card view holder. Cool. And what? Order by this will be a link. Why? Cool, so now they're in order. So now I can slowly have them scroll, but how do I do that? Right, so first off, I need to have this offset. Let's be offset by negative 555. Right. Let's look at the deck's name up here. We can just have it slowly move, but we can do something that instead shows a scan of it. Like it's a raw image that places itself somewhere else. That could work. Look at that news has chat. I just want it to move. Right? I just want the, not the padding, but I want the X to slowly go. I'm pretty sure. Is that what I want? I don't even know what I want. Yeah. That's what I want. The X to move. Mayari, how you doing? Mayari, May7Ari? Maykari? Maylari? I'll figure it out. How's it going? Like, there needs to be a way to move that as like a visualizer. That's gonna be a thing that I need to look up. Sure. Let's see here. To do. Add. You're alright? I'll take an alright. Always better than a bad. That's for sure. Add a way to slide cards by distance and have it seamlessly move. This, save that mask. I think it's working. Move the Fury Burst thing, move that out of the way. Hide it for now. Very, very awesome. Gotta figure out how to parallax. Can probably do is if I move. I can just chunk it to the end. I'm gonna do this. So we need a float of distance or card view speed, and then we'll do card view amount moved. Cool. And then we'll do card view threshold to slide card. Might work. Let's think about this. Alright, so let's say this is sliding. So let's say we slide. So we slide X here. Can we do like negative 18,000 and still be okay? I think so. Honestly, I have an idea. It's not a great idea, but I have an idea. If I do 0 here, so if I do 555, if I do 600, and we move it until $10,000. What? Happening there? Okay, wait. So, okay. Let's do 0. We put it at 0. We bring it this way. We're at we're at 600. We go this way until 4,100. Then we bring it back to 600 after X amount of time. Kinda dig that. 600 to negative 4,100. Okay. We started. So we started 0. We started 600, right? And then so inside update, right? We literally can go card holder. Yep. Card view this guy. Dot. So this needs to be the rect transform, not the transform. Easy to do. So we can do dot anchor position dot x. Oh, okay, I see. We can do minus equals new vector 2 of card view speed 0 times time. Right? If active deck card view holder dot enter position dot x is less than threshold, okay, then active deck card view holder anchor position dot x dot or equals a new vector 2 600. What's up, Sal? How you doing? It's all good to see you, bud. I think we have an idea. Yeah, just a VIP to the channel, buddy. There we go. Alright. So, this might work. Just gotta figure out what the speed of it's gonna be. Right, because we have all of this here now. We know the threshold is negative 4,100. Speed, we're gonna keep it 0 until we start playing with it. This might work. It's moving. Too slow though. 45? What do you think, Sal? You like that? Too slow still, right? It's definitely too slow still. Let's go 80. So then this should... Still too slow. Definitely fades it out though. It creates a little bit of softness to it. And then it should kick it back. Look at that. Look at that! Okay. How do you feel about that? Alright, so what if we move it to the wheel shouldn't start empty? Well, if it moves fast enough, it won't be empty. So what if we do 160? 160 nauseatingly fast? No. Let's figure out time-wise how long it takes for. I think you're right. It probably should start somewhere in the middle because of the fade in, right? Okay, ready? Let's see how long it takes for us to finish. $20 seconds to see all the cards. Alright, so 28 arm slaps. Is 28 arm slaps good enough? I don't know if that's a second or not, but that's how it felt. I wonder how that feels. I think it might need to be a little bit faster still. Okay, so I do agree with you though. I feel like the card view needs to be, in the very beginning, it needs to not be 600. The first reference, probably do 200. Have it be on the screen a little bit first. Do agree with that one. As soon as I find it. There it is. Yeah, right? Yeah. And the amount of arm slaps? I think that's a good idea. Is that not the best way to do it? I think it's the best way to do it. Okay, so... Now, you do that. It should start with cards visible. Okay. And we said 120 for the speed. I have ways to figure this out. I can add a second copy of this deck that starts as soon as this one hits a certain value, and that way it looks like it loops, and then the first one can go back and loop again. That way there's always cards. 160, whatever number this is feels good. All right, let me do a little tricksy thing. Let me see here. We offset a second card holder, right? Card holder 2. Let you boogaloo, right? Card holder 2 starts after card holder 1, right? So this is how we're gonna do this. This is how we're gonna figure this all out. He is good now? I think so too. I agree. Okay, this is how we're gonna do this. I knew what you said. You're good. So we don't need this card view amount moved. I don't need that. I do, however, need a second deck holder and deck holder 2. I need deck holder 2 to be created also. I'm gonna do the same thing. It's gonna go inside, so we'll do object. We'll do deck holder 2. Okay. So now there's the exact same card made picked twice. Deck holder 2 is now in here. This guy. We just gotta figure out where the second one starts at. Right? Okay. I see one moving. Let's turn the mask off and let's Gander. Turn off the mask. Doesn't help us. Did it? Here we go. Okay. Card holder 2. Oh, I don't want to. I need to set the. What's it called? The 0. For now. I need to set the speed of the first one to 0. Just remember 120. Okay. Set the speed to 0. Scene mode. Turn off the mask. Okay. What does this padding do? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. What does this padding do? Oh, shoot. Oh, that's a weird padding. I don't know if I like that anymore. Oh, because the card doesn't pad. That's a little weird, isn't it? Okay. Why doesn't the card do that? Odd stuff. Okay. Anyway. What was I doing? I'm trying to figure out how far away this is. Okay, card holder 2. Card holder 2 needs to start at... It needs to be like enough space, but clearly the same deck. Like that. 3921. 3921 is where this is gonna go. We'll just say 3900, you know, for a good value. So then if this card gets put at 3300, okay. Now I have to do like some weird stuff, right? I have to figure out when does this get looped. When a card holder becomes... Shoot, do I have to do 3? Do I need 3 holders? Shoot. Because I'm here, then it's gone. That's okay. That's okay to be gone after it's gone, right? It's gone. It's okay to be gone. So, when it's gone, right there, where does it need to go? It doesn't need to go to 600. It needs to go to... This is card holder 1. $32.50. Needs to go to $32.50. Got it. Final answer. That was a train wreck. Okay. 100. Slide card. Need another value. One more value. Card threshold to slide card. Card threshold. Send deck. X. Equals 32.50. Okay. This is card deck threshold send X. Okay. We need to do active card deck view holder, active card deck view holder 2. Cool. Go like this. Go like this. Put 2 here. Does it work? Does it work? It's gonna be off a little bit because I gotta figure out what the starting position is for card holder 2, right? Where's the second group at? Right there. Same spot. Okay. The 2 needs to go like way down. We're talking like way. Should have checked that in the beginning as well. To be fair. It's my fault. Okay. Holder 1, card holder 2. Words are hard. They're escaping me today. Something like that, right? 3,900. Okay. Alright, 3,900. Card holder 2. 3,900. Okay. Speed, $120. Does this work flawlessly? If so, it's gonna be awesome. Give it a go. Here we go. Let's see. Because both of them should be sliding at the same time right now. So far, so good. So far, so good. That should have jumped back now. Why is Dark Omen there? Oh, I didn't sort this one. I didn't sort this one. That's why it looks different. That's funny. It's still going to be 12 cards, though. 14 cards, I mean. Hey! This looks good. That looks okay. That looks okay. Is that how you wanted that song? Obviously with the cards sorted correctly so it doesn't look like garbage. Now we need the deck's name up here, right? That looks good. I'm pretty happy with that. It's decent. It's always going to be the same spot every time. Roughly, give or take. Still shows the same deck, even though it's chaos right now. But it's definitely what we want. Okay, we forgot to sort the second deck, though. Whoops. Order 2. Okay. That's fixed. Okay, so now we have to go in and kill everything if we switch decks. This is going to be generate deck information. It's going to be generate active deck visual. Cool. So then we literally can go like this. We can go for loop reverse. If card holder dot child count. Yeah, that's fine. Destroy active deck card view holder dot get child I dot get object. Same thing here for 2. Oops, 2. So now switching the deck should be no problem too, right? So generate active deck visual when we pick a new deck. Open deck select, close deck select, select new deck. Save deck is selected. Activate new deck. Generate active deck visual. I need a different deck. Do I have any other decks that I could grab from Discord? I'm grabbing that mask now. Here's the new mask. While I try to find another. Oh, it's being weird. It's not the same size as the other one was. Hold on. Active deck, mask, pro graphic. That might be the softness, actually. Is there a padding on the right? No. Mask graphic. Yeah, it was not the same size though. I hit set native size, and it's way bigger. Almost there. Figure this out. That one's on. There we go. That's better. There we go. Thumbs up. So that's these numbers. Need those. Good. Sick. Sickness. Okay. So now that's all in. Switching a deck. So we need to find another here, I'm gonna let this run and then I'll find another deck in the meantime. Let's see here. Let us see. Move those front and center as well. Those are going to override everything so you can see them. Where is it? In game builds? I think it was in game builds. Maybe not. Maybe in discussion. Aha! I found a Fitcher Tempo deck. Sweet. Alright. Cards. We don't have deleting decks in the game yet. That's not a thing yet. Import this. Or deck data. Burst. Fitcher Tempo. Okay. Alright. This is Fitcher Tempo. If we were to change it, this isn't a button yet. Right, so now we need a button. This needs to be the button that modifies that. Right, so it's active deck stuff. This guy right here. This guy's a button. This is new decks. Button. And sprite swap. And go here. On is this guy. Cool. No navigation. So this should be on click, be main menu, and should open the deck select. Cool. Okay. Oh, goodness. When you do that, it needs to seamlessly modify everything somehow. It also needs to not be choppy when that happens. We could do it in a enumerator kind of way. We can just yield return null. Yeah. And then we can yield. And then we can. We don't need to do that there. That could work. So then this becomes a start coroutine. That way the deck gets built in 14 frames instead of everything at once. Cool. So now what? So now we built the decks. We need to be a seamless transition. So when we do that, it needs to set itself back to the beginning numbers. We just need to save those. Right. So let's do a private float active deck view 1 start, active deck view 2 start. Cool. And then in the very beginning, when it's first created, active deck view 1 start equals active card holder anchor position X. Okay. So we just gotta set that back, right? So it's just literally these two things get set when you do a new deck. Like new deck. Okay. This card, oops, active deck view 1 start, deck view 2 start. That should fix it. Okay, we have them moving. Why can't I click that? Okay. Fury Rest. That was weird. It lags a little, but right now it's okay. It's okay. That's going to be just fine. I could maybe do this as a way to build a deck. Instead of doing a return null, we do a new wait for seconds, and we do 0.01. You literally just have it wait however many frames per second. That could work. Enough to make it not a ton of garbage. didn't lag at all. Really? I think it needs to put it. It needs to put it actually instead at the new slot, the new threshold. Let's try that instead. No. Sorry. Not the way I want that to work. Okay, well, for now that's okay. It doesn't lag. So that's totally fine. It needs to be a better button size click, though. Right? Currently, the button is not the right size. I need it to be... So I can go like this. I can literally put a button inside here. Right? You can do a UI button. Rid of the text. Bring this down here. Put you inside here. Get rid of the image. The button be a sprite swap on this guy. And that way, I can remove the button on this, which we should probably just copy, to be fair. These values. That way the button can be larger. Want that maybe? It look larger. That should be good. Cool. Button's much larger now, easy to click. Maybe not. Target graphics, sprite swap. This button's interactable. Maybe. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Oh, I think I know why. I'm pretty sure this active deck, this thing. Yep, raycast target. Raycast target. Raycast target. They don't have raycast target. Okay. Much better. Alright, so now we just need the name. Hey, kitty. Oh, stop. This is Leo. He's very happy. What couch you holding like this? Burn so loud. He's a good kitty. A big kitty. You heard the dog say, oh no. Run away. Okay. If you guys have not already seen the Kickstarter, just a quick reminder, we actually have that coming out in sometime soon. We don't actually have a specific date yet, but we will let people know within about 2 weeks of it going live. It's an easy fix. I got that. Thumbs up. And it can go boop. Oh. How are we gonna do that? How's that gonna work? So the triangle shape is here. Can you add... Can you hear me? Are you in stream? Come on, guys. I had to do some art calls, I guess. So now we have that moving, that's good. We have the decks changing out, which is cool. Anything else in particular? Okay, so alright, so I think it's a really good spot for this. Exit game is still exit game, it's fine. Let's see how the XP bar looks when we play. Play a game. How nice that was. So cohesive. Ooh, everyone's off. It's funny. Alright, I want to play card effects trigger twice. Oh, snap. Okay. Had a little. Oh, wait, I gotta turn one. Alright, so turn 2, little farmer. Look at all the seedlings I got out of that. I didn't get 2 seedlings. Oh, double trigger. Oh my god, spells double trigger. Whoa. Okay. Some seedlings out of that, didn't we? We don't have any good... We do have card draw. That'll be next turn. We'll card draw next turn. Oh, did I just break the game? How did I break the game? Cards in hand greater than card hand size. That's not true. Cards in hand that count greater than D max hand size. Ow. How did I break that just now? Always something, right? There's always something. Alright. I'm looking for the decks for the hand size. I have 8 cards in my hand, apparently. Double seedling. What was it trying to do? It was trying to add a card to my hand because of the seedling? Dorina doesn't do that. She doesn't draw cards. Why did I get 2 seedlings? I shouldn't have 2 seedlings. I only have 6 cards in my hand. Why is there a problem here? What's in the opponent's hand? 5 cards. Literally playing against the same deck. But like, why did I get double seedling? No, okay, I know that. Never mind. That was a dumb question. Oh, whoops. Okay. I'm not sure I understand why that broke. Index out of range. AI play card 291. That's where the error was. Okay. AOI is not null. We gotta do like one at a time here. Okay. If this, do that. I might fix that. So was it the gatekeeper check? What broke that? That was weird. I've never seen that before. Okay, let's beat this game. Ooh, Mr. Chest. Nothing useful though. Pitcher's Bird is going to be a good turn 2 play. Ooh, especially in the Cloud Kingdom, that's great. That's a big turn 2. They get a card, that's fine, they can have that card. Why did she take damage? All the characters in play lose 1 health except for this. Oh shoot. What is happening? Prince Ivan? Whoa. Okay, that's where I would forfeit, I think. Prince Ivan played all of the turn 1 cards. That's disgusting. That is disgusting. Okay, we got Snow White, which is fine. I'll take Snow White. Alright, so, turn 3. Wow, man. Doesn't activate this realm. Start turn 3 plays. We have Fury. We could 7 Soldier here and get a buff. Right? Turn 4, we can Talking Cat. What other plays do we have? We have Woodcutter. We have Earl King into Molly Game Studio with the raid. What's up, bud? How you doing? This is an interesting predicament that we're currently in. We're gonna play Earl King here. Then we're gonna Dark Omen. Dark Omen should damage enough stuff. It should be okay. Should this not buff him? Why didn't he get buffed? Any card that loses health. What's up, dude? How you doing? Thanks for the raid, much appreciated. If you guys don't know about Game Studio, it's a good buddy of mine. Take your nephew to a movie. See you later. Thanks for hanging out, bud. Good to see you. We are currently in the middle of getting ready to do a Kickstarter. Definitely check that out when you get a chance too. Godot recently, very cool. Very cool. Very similar in its way to oh cool, we're gonna win that one. To Unity. Lurk, sounds good. Talk to you soon, buddy. This is the game that we're doing the Kickstarter for. Ooh, did we almost lose? No? Oh, they play Limitation Sphere. Can I even play anything there? I still can. What? That's a bug. You can still play a card at Limitation Sphere. See you, buddy. Thank you again. Each card in your deck? I have 8 cards in my deck? Look at that. That was a disaster. I don't know what happened, but I did get XP and I did get blue whatevers. This is good. Okay. Put the deck name up there. Put this deck name, so it's like this. Put the text into active deck. Right here. Oop. 53 months. That's a lot of months, buddy. What's new? How you doing? It's good to see you. No message for me. I'm great, man. What's new with you? Alright, so turn off that image. Do a black text. Do one of these. Here. Deck name goes right here. Now, love it. Not much. I'll take that. Very cool. You see we were doing a Kickstarter? Always a good time. Alright, so this text object we put here because we're not using this. This is deck name. Did not see that? Ooh, there you go. Check this out. Check it out. Not there yet, but we're getting there. We are getting ready. Okay, so yeah, I think it's cool too. All right, so in the main menu, we have an active deck name, deck display, collection deck. We actually don't have a spot for that. Isn't that kind of odd? So instead of the collection deck selection, it needs to be a TMP text instead. I'm in the wrong spot. Collection deck, active deck display. This is going to be TMP text, active deck display text. This is going to be here. Text.text equals text selection holder get child index. Yeah, deck name. Okay. Cannot complete the text. Dot text. There we go. Sick. Or I guess it could be deck.text. There we go. Improving the UI, graphics don't look too bad. Yeah, they look good, don't they? Really happy with it. Active deck display. I don't need this. Okay. We need to set it. Just kidding. No, we have 7 artists on the team. This is the biggest game that we've ever done. This is the first one where it's like a legit, like, we have 7 artists. The game is huge. Not counting AI. No. Like, actual people. Which reminds me, thank you for reminding me, I have to go in and modify this character. I accidentally put the variant name as there. How was I supposed to put the naming? What's the naming convention that I used? Snow White. Snow White. Original card. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, no. AI, we are removing all the AI graphics. Slowly. Taking time. 7 artists are 7 artists. But yeah. Like, yeah, the AI art looks cool and all, right? But it's not functional. For the things that we want to do with it, it's not functional. Why am I having errors? What are you doing to me? Active deck display, text. Display text. Dot text. Next available. Cool. Are we doing the AI art? All of it. Yep. I'll show you. I can show you. As soon as I'm done finding errors, show you. D. Dot. Load deck. Load deck already loads a deck. I don't need to do this anymore. Okay, it almost worked. Did not give me the name of the deck. Unless it only works when I change it. No reference. Collection deck, deck name. Collecting deck index. Collecting deck index. Collection deck, deck name. All decks. EG. Image. Collection. Viewport content. This one. Deck. Deck name. Mobile game? Yep, mobile. It's gonna have mobile, PC, mobile and PC crossplay. Sorry, words are hard today. It's late. Where is this error? Save is selected. Index. Okay. Deck. Display.text. It's going to be the deck cache manager. .instance. .active deck. .deck. .deck name. Problem solved. Deck. Active deck. .deck name. Okay. That might resolve this whole issue. Nope. Still not working. Did I never set that? Did I never set the text object? I bet you didn't. I bet you I didn't set it. I didn't set it. You son of a gun. Fast, you silly boy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hey, look at that. Picture tempo. Fury burst. Sick. Now it just needs to do that in the beginning. It needs to update itself in the beginning. There we go. Done. Nice. That's sick. Player names or card decks? Those are. I'll show you. Those are you can name every deck. My player name is ASD. This is the name of the deck that you've built. So you'll know this deck because you've built this deck, right? So we got the card collection, which is not updated UI still. When we're in here, we have all of our decks that we've built, right? And you can build new decks here. We'll close them out, change the name of them as you want, right? Also, we have cards in the game. So like this is AI still. It tells you what cards are not AI. This is one of our base artists, Fabricio. He created a new Snow White. We have a new Cinderella. We have, so I can do, let's see, Gabe. Gabe has made a new Hansel. Is Yorinda? Child Eater? Why is that being choppy? That's weird. Wouldn't be. But, he's doing, we have Fabricio, who's done a couple cards also. Giant, Snow White, Cinderella. He has that Rapunzel that we're about to get in the game too. Then we have people that do variants. Like this guy. All of his variants are different. Right? You can use this card in your deck instead of the original Frog King. Or this Rapunzel instead of the regular Rapunzel. These are unlockable over time. Or purchasable. Either way. You can see the full art whenever you want. So this Rapunzel is one of my favorite ones. Yeah, I updated it perfectly. It's amazing. With the comic anime style illustration, yeah, that person does. He's got his own style, and it's really cool. For sure. There's some that are more comic-like. There are some that are more anime-like. There are some that are, for instance, let me type variant. Okay, these are all the ones. These are all the different versions of cards that have been created that are non. Like here's a psychotic version of Hansel. Right, needs to be cropped a little bit still, but Red Riding Hood as a traveler. The wolf, completely different for the big bad wolf. We have a pixel art one. We have pixel artists as well. So, yeah. It's pretty cool. So that's where we're at. I like it. And what we can do is we can take the logo and put it outside of post and have it in the fade. So what if we take the logo and we don't have it fade? Okay, so what if we did this and just return? Skip all that. And just make this logo on. Does that look okay? Nope. Odd. Huh. Okay. Never mind. Now it's fine. What's up, Mighty Master? How you been? Good to see you. Alright, let's add a new location. Wait, do we know if anything else got approved? Post end semester? Sick, man. I'm doing great. Doing really good. We're about to launch a Kickstarter. So if you want to hit the notification button, tell your friends about it, tell your mom about it, tell your dog about it. You know, tell everyone that you've ever seen about a Kickstarter for this game. That'd be pretty freaking sweet. What am I looking for? I am currently looking for... You don't have a dog? That's okay. We'll buy you one. One day. Somebody will buy you one. Believe in yourself. Okay, so... Nothing new. Oh, Rapunzel can go in. Okay, cool. I have a dog with the money you get from the game after I tell my friends about it? Yeah! Sounds obscure. I like it. I like how obscure that sounds. Okay, so... Rapunzel. Like, the new Rapunzel looks awesome. Wait till you see this new Rapunzel, guys. Wait till you see this. She is in this patch. So let's go here to Rapunzel. We'll change her information. The new card. And we gotta make sure that the card looks okay. Oh wait. We gotta make sure this says the right person. Fabricio. Awesome. How many more semesters do you have left, Money Master? Can't be that many more, right? So let's look up Rapunzel. Uh-oh. Why is she busted? Why is she broke, busted, and disgusted? What's going on there? Rapunzel Maximino. Collection UI. Your master's last semester. Jeez! What are you doing your master's in? It does say Maximino variant on it. Why did it not put the right image? No sprite. Oh, could not create sprite from a 1024 texture. I see, that's quite an issue, isn't it? Doing computer science, actually working on an assignment while I listen. Sick! I did not go to school for computer science. Okay, so Rapunzel looks pretty good just like that, but I think I want to still zoom her a little bit. He looks so freaking awesome. Okay. Oh, that's not her. Come on. You don't know what a Voronoi diagram is then? No. I didn't go to school for that, so I have no idea. What is happening? Inspect. There we go. Go to school for? I went to school for film and video. So I learned how to count to 30. Pretty much. What I learned. Actually, I kind of want her hair in this too. Yeah, I learned how to count to 30. I learned how to make film. I learned how to do animations, and then I learned how to not make money. Because that industry, you get stuck in like a minimum wage job, and it's not fun. So then I learned how to make games through YouTube. And now it's been 7 years. Now we're building a card game. Because why not? 25.7, 46. So 25, 46 and a half, 1.39. 25, 46 and a half, 1.39. 25, 46 and a half, 1.39. You don't have to go to school to be good at what you do. Never said I was good at this, but pretty fun. I'm never having a problem with that. That's so crazy. Just his one piece. Just that one Rapunzel piece. So weird. Alright. Let's Screenshotty. Two cardsies. Mauricio. Bam. Cool. Alright, let us make, now that the puzzle's in there, let's make a new realm. Let's do it. Oh, I gotta fix the Fitcher's Bird ability. Where's Fitcher's Bird? Fitcher's Bird. Okay. Draw a card. Okay. So if game turn manager instance all cards played this game I is not equal to this, do that. Awesome. Alright, so Fitcher's Bird is fixed. That's a bug from the most recent patch. So Fitcher's Bird no longer applies to itself. No longer applies effect ability to itself. Cool. Alright, new realm time. Here we go. So the realm is going to be called Strange Village. Actually, you know what? I want two realms. So we're going to go realm names here. We're going to do Strange Village. We're going to do Nightingale Castle. Is spelling Nightingale right? I think so. Okay. New realms. I'm definitely going to struggle on one of these for sure. Strange Village. Nightingale Castle. Okay. Strange Village. Village. Okay. Swap the attack, power, and health of each card in your hand. Cool. And then Nightingale Castle is Nightingale Castle. Right. This one's gonna be a random card. This realm. Ooh, I wonder if we can petrify a card. We put like a shader over top of it that would turn it to like stone. That'd be pretty cool. Petrifying a card would take you 1 damage, would kill it, would destroy it. Petrify worth an effect. That's a question, I'm not sure. I'm gonna card this realm. Becomes a Nightingale. Transforms into a Nightingale. Okay. Random card. Oh, okay. A random card on each side of this realm. There we go, that's fair. So let's incorporate them. The Strange Village is going to be a hard one, for sure. Okay, case Strange Village. Okay. I'm going to take a for loop. through game turn manager player deck dot hand cards in hand dot count, and then we're gonna do int. So we're gonna save the attack. So int ATK equals game turn manager instance player deck cards in hand I dot attack power. Right. So if cards in hand I dot attribute equals spell continue. So skip over spells. We're going to take game turn manager, player deck, cards in hand, I dot attack power, override. Oh, so override. Nope, attack power override equals true. And then we will do. Wait, how do we do the one with not wishing well? The one where you get +2 attack, everything. Oh, it's just plus attack power. Oh, I don't have to override. Okay. That's even easier. We're gonna turn that off just in case we need it still. So attack power equals. So I don't even need to save this, do I? Because I can literally just go. I can do this. Card C equals. Right? I can literally go C dot attack power equals C dot card data. Oh. No, I do need to save that, don't I? So int attack equals C dot attack power. C dot attack power equals C dot health, right? And then C dot health equals C dot equals attack. So we're literally swapping it. I don't know if we need that part. We need this for the opponent deck as well. That. Done. Let's see if Strange Village works. Did it add it into the... I think I added it into the realm. The exclusion zone. Realm manager. 28 realms. Usable realms, 27 realms. So it doesn't do this. No, it did. Strange Village. Cool. Strange Village. See if it works. Oh, I have Wizard Fitcher. Okay. Alright. So, did not do it. It did not do it. Override mana. So health. Whatever C dot health is. Value less than health. Harvest Blade or okay. Spell scan. Okay, less than 0. Health is greater than 0 is not in hand. Okay. Max is 0 or value. Okay. Hit display. display, update health display, health at 2 string. So it should have updated it, but it didn't. Okay, so let's switch this from Feature Tempo to Fury. Villager. Alright, so a beggar woman, draw. That worked really well. Looks good to me. It's a weak card now, man. 6 health Fitcher's Bird is terrible. I wouldn't play him anymore. I'd play this guy though. He's a 10. Because he got +2 for her getting hurt. That's amazing. So Fury actually benefits in hand. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Strange Village is perfect. The old merch is gone? No, the new merch is there. We have an upgrade. Merch M. Where's the merch? Here it is. New logo. It's so great. Got the only thing that was missing. The only thing that's missing now is the old logo shirt. So we got the regular shirt in 5 colors. Got a mug, poster, the new poster for Chronicle. If you want to wear a crop shirt, you can wear a crop shirt. No judging. Judgment-free zone. If you got a kid, they can wear it too. So now the shirt you have, Dust Mite, is now Legacy. You have a Legacy Static City shirt. He's a Legacy! Okay. Now... we have that one done. We need this one, Nightingale Castle. Which requires me to build a new card as well. I need some new arts. Artsy farts. Black tea. Think of getting a white one? Do it up! I think you should. I think they're sick. The new logo is It's smooth. I have a bunch of white. I have a bunch of the white ones. So many of them. I don't wear the black. I don't wear the black ones. I have a black one. I just, for some reason, I prefer the white T-shirts instead of the black. I get too warm, man. I get way too warm. What am I looking for over here? Look like the white one you have. I have a white one of the new logo too. So the new white one looks like this. Just look how happy I look. Missed it? You had your chance. You blinked. There you go. Look at that. And I don't think I've ever seen happiness before. That's happiness. Okay, so. So Nightingale Castle transforms something into a Nightingale, which means that we need to go into the card names. Everything's wrong. Whoops. Card names. Need Nightingale token. Sweet. Okay. Let's do this token. Alright, so we can do card editor. Go to a scene that has the card editor in it. We can call this Nightingale. Squawk. I don't know. 0 costs 1/1. Has no abilities. Not collectible card. Template is just called card, right? Oh, the image. Gale. Bird. What? Where's the bird? Oh, everybody's heard about the bird. That's that problem right there. Problem solved. Nightingale token. Card. Create card. Creator system. Cool. New card. Nightingale. Nightingale token. Nightingale original card, mid-journey. Okay. Not collectible. Awesome. Card effects. None. Alrighty. So we have the token, and then we have the realm. The SO, realm SO, no. Realms, Nightingale Castle. Nightingale Castle. One more. All right, so. Now we have that. And then we have. Where's the SO for the realms? Okay. Hmm. 11:30. So now we have Strange Village. Strange Village art. Okay. Now, I've still got to add in the Strange Village. Or I've got to add in. Alright, sweet. The functionality for. So we'll say New Realm, Strange Village, New Realm. Nightingale Castle, new card, Nightingale token. Cool. So these are both. Strange Village is done. Never did get one of these. What is this? What is .creatorspring.com? I never made something from that. Sketchy.com. Oh, the Battalion merch. Holy moly, I forgot about this. I forgot about this. The Hex Cluster class was pretty cool. You can still buy one. They're clearly available. Honestly, I think this one is probably one of the coolest ones. In like the blue color. That was a cool one. Hey look, you can buy 4 payments of $4. That's still a cool shot. Like nobody knows what that is. It was just part of the issue. But it's totally like, we made what, 90 cards? We made similar to the same amount of cards more or less that we made that I've made in this game. There's a lot of cards in that game, man. Battalion had a lot of work to it. There was a lot more than just a card game. That game was insane. Literally insane. Now for the demo? Yeah. I'd say so. For sure. Okay, so we should have Interim Manager, Nightingale Castle, Strange Village. I gotta take screenshots of these. We have them. Goes in the company Discord and new round. Just bird, let's do it. Bug should be fixed. She shouldn't take damage anymore. Nice. There we go. Perfect. Love it. Oh, we need to let a nightingale actually is, right? Nightingale. Cool. Alright guys, it's been a lot of fun. It's 11:30, I'm tired. Thanks for being super awesome. We got a lot done today. The main menu looks literally fantastic. There's so much happening. We're gonna be live again tomorrow for sure. Let's see what we can go and raid. Who is live on the internet webs? How about we go over to... We go over to Lana Lux. Lana Lux is a super cool dev. She just had a recently successful Kickstarter. So we're gonna go hang out and see what she's up to. She's making a game called Strain. So if you want to go over there and drop that, hang out there, it'd be super cool. Until next time guys, I love you and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out. Catch you later.